ruthless. I give you scrap pa pa ka ka. The very next day, you boom boom brrr, boom. This year.
Friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sasan. So today I will teach you how to download videos from YouTube. Okay, basically sometimes you cannot download videos from YouTube. That is because of some security reason or the person who has uploaded the video. Okay, that person will not provide a permission to download a video because of privacy problem. Okay, so there is some trick. Okay, by following that trick you can we can download that particular video. Okay, so without wasting too much time, let's move to the video. Okay
Friends, now I will show you how to download videos from YouTube. Okay, so first of all we need to access the browser. Okay, so you can see here I have Chrome browser and another it is internet browser, so I will use internet browser. Okay, and I will type YouTube and I will hit the go button. Okay, so once I will hit the go button, okay, I want to open the website from desktop site, because by default it is in mobile site. Okay, mobile view. I want to view it in desktop view. Okay, so I have select the desktop site. So, okay, so from here you can select one of the video which you want to download. Okay, any video you can select. For example, I want to download this Tom and Jerry. Okay, so I will go to the after that I will go to the URL part and I will move my cursor after the dot and I will delete all the things before the dot and I will add double S and I will hit go button. So you need to wait for a while over here because it will load. Okay, and can you see over here, friends, there you can find some address. Okay, actually that is a link of the video. Okay, and here you will get the option to download in any format you can download. Okay, MP4 and more you can find the option. Okay, so I will try to download in MP4 360. Okay, so I will select the MP4 360. So my video has been it started downloading. Okay, you can see over here it will take a little bit time. It depends upon your internet speed. Okay, download completed. Okay, now you can check where your video has been saved. Okay, if it is saved in video part, then you can check your video over here. Okay, so my video has been it's downloaded. Video has been downloaded. Okay, so this is the video. Okay, which I have downloaded just now. Okay, so friends, every time you cannot save your video in offline mode. Okay, because the person, okay, the admin, the person who will upload their video, okay, they will not give a permission, or they will not provide any kind of they will not provide you any kind of permission to download that particular video. Okay, they will put some restriction, okay, or security. So if you are not able to download a video, or if you are not able to save the video in offline mode, then you can follow this method, okay, whichever I have shown you just now. Okay, so this was the video, friends. Okay, I hope you will like this, and in this video will help you a lot. Okay, so friends, if you want me to upload this kind of videos, please comment. Okay, comment below in my video. Okay, so thank you friends for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.